We start our journey to Dangar Island with a train trip to Brooklyn. The historic 1930s ferry is already waiting for us down at the wharf. It's a very pretty 15-minute ride out to Dangar. We're about to pull in at the wharf. I'm off to find some breakfast. Here's the Dangar Island Depot Cafe. A great spot to watch the island goings-on. With no cars on the island, wheelbarrows are used instead. There goes one now. There are some notable landmarks. This unusual 1880s water tower was built by the island's owner. Henry Dangar lived in a nearby house. It's nice to stroll around the pretty houses and gardens. There are some rare old trees here that are heritage listed. Survivors from the time before Europeans came. Birds are everywhere. Down here is Bradley's Beach, where Governor Arthur Phillip landed in 1788. It must have been a wild place 230 years ago. Not so much these days, of course. I head off on foot again. At different points you can see the Hawkesbury River rail bridge. Dangar Island played a vital role in building the original 1886 crossing. Time for lunch at the bolo. Then it's down to the ferry and off to catch my train.